Help me, I'm being framed by the police.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Manioc, not Manioc. I don't know. You know about the river across by our house. It's not a river. Huh? I don't know. Knock, knock, knock. It's Diamond. Hey, I'm here. What do you mean where? Alright.
You
Yo, what's up, bro? It's Diamond.
you must got the wrong crib, bro.
You tripping. Yeah, you tripping. This the wrong crib?
Who you looking for?
Jen, Ash, you name it.
Yeah, bro. You got the wrong crib, bro.
Alright, bet. Bet on my mama, you gonna lose your life tomorrow, bro. I'ma see you, Cannon. That nigga tripping. You gonna lose your life, Cannon. Yes, sir.
Hello? Can I help you?
Nope.
Can I help you with something? Are you looking for something?
I'm avoid ring.
Excuse me? Is there something I can help you with? Excuse me, sir. This is somebody's home.
I'm avoid ring. Ring.
I didn't understand.
It is ringing. I'm avoid ring. Do you know?
Are you working on the home? Is there something I'm not really sure what I can help you with, but this is my home.
Oh, I know.
Thanks for watching Doorbell News. Subscribe today.
Hide your Ring camera. Turn your Ring cam into a hidden camera with Cam Masker. Compatible with Ring Indoor Cam, Ring Stick-Up Cam Battery, and Ring Stick-Up Cam Plug-in. Cam Masker, the #1 way to hide your Ring cam. Cam Masker hides your Ring camera without interfering with its various functions. Order yours today at cammasker.com. Cam Masker, the #1 way to hide your Ring cam.